In this canyon, been casting here for a while. Caught a little surprising fish. It was a bass, smallmouth bass. Check that thing out. Or a big mouth, I don't know. Yo, that thing's nice. So there's bass here. I'm looking for trout. If I do hit a trout, I know it'll be a big one because it's such deep water. Let's go catch some fish, bud. Go. Go there. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. I wonder if we're gonna catch any fish, buddy. One fish. Little baby trout. Oh, it's a little baby cutthroat. Nice. Alright, well, I'm gonna let him off. Can't do it while I'm recording. About to fill up my water. I got a 5-gallon jug and a 1-gallon jug of water. Found this little spring on the side of the road the other day, so I've used it twice. It's awesome spring, cold water, delicious. Super cold water. 5 gallons, oh no, 6 gallons has been lasting me like 5-6 days. I'm not using it for washing, but washing dishes. So that really helps. Eventually I'm gonna get a water tank in my van. This, so yeah, it's on the side of the road. Just looks like that. The sign says good for drinking. It's been tested. I just zip tied something down on my roof, and yeah, I'm ready to hit. I am ready to go to the next spot. Kind of separated from Grandpa and Josh. Josh is taking the kids back to the kids and Tiffany back to Tennessee, and then me and Grandpa are next to each other, but we're a little separated right now. But I'm heading towards Big Hole River, going towards Butte, Montana. I'm excited to check it out. Apparently it's beautiful out there and the river is exceptional for fishing. So wish me luck. I'll see you guys out there. Gee.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bent face flamed by the light.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to tie another fly right now. Just want to chill, get my bed ready. But come on, let me try to fish the dark areas because I don't know how they're seeing the bugs in the dark. Can't tell if they hit it though. What's up, guys? I'm out here fishing Big Hole River in Montana. First time I'm out here, and it's a gold class river, so meaning it's a really good habitat for fish. I pulled up to my campsite and saw a fish jump out of the water, and I was like, what the heck, it's nighttime. So of course I tried to catch it, catch them. No luck, but it was really fun fishing at night. I had high hopes. Anyways, I will be fishing it in the morning, hopefully catch those fish that are taunting me, because those fish are annoying and I don't like them anymore. I'm gonna eat them tomorrow and put seasoning on them, and I'm gonna put like salt and pepper and butter and try new methods of cooking these fish that are taunting me right now. Anyways, catch me on the next video. I'm gonna show daytime fishing at the same spot.